Actually one of the major requirement mods for any FK8. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying blessed. Today is actually a Wednesday, and I know I'm a little bit behind on the videos. I'll explain that further in this video, but basically just been going through a lot with the new move to the new home and everything, getting everything situated, from the appraisal coming back, you know, things like that, waiting for final paperwork. You know, it's a big process, bro, let me tell you. It's now my third home, so trust me, it's not my first rodeo. But anyways, how are you guys doing? Hope everything is good. Today we got another video here, and I got a new mod, believe it or not, another new mod, right? And I think that this mod is a true requirement for any FK8 Type R owner from the years 2017 to 2021, especially if you lowered your Type R with springs, coilovers, fixed suspension, whatever you want to call it, right? So this mod is definitely a requirement. I'm going to show you guys that here in just a moment. It's actually in the boot, the trunk, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, anyways, we got that. And then I'm going to talk about some things on a drive. And yeah, that'll be the video for today. Also want to let you guys know that there is going to be another video this weekend. I am attending the Surprise Honda Car Show again. It was in a previous video before. They're having a second time around. Looks like more Type Rs will be out this time, NSXs, S2000s, etc. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Look forward to that. That's coming up. I'll be right back with you guys, just a moment. All right, y'all, before I open this up, if you guys can read that right there, Skylyfe, right? Skylyfe Projects, that's my new license plate. This is how it works in AZ. I don't understand the new process, to be honest with you, but when you do a custom plate like this after registration, this is what you have to go through. So yeah, I should have obviously done it in the beginning, but at that time I was very busy getting the house situated and everything. So anyways, that's what we got right now. But let me show you what's in here. So what do we have here, right? This is actually one of the major requirement mods for any FK8 type owner. And it consists of, well, you guys tell me, what do you think it is? Put that in the comments. Let me know what you think it is. And yeah, I'm gonna unbox it today, and then we'll see where everything goes from there. Obviously, it's not going to be installed today, right? It'll be installed actually November 20th over at the shop with Brent. So stay tuned for that video. You guys, before I do that unboxing, please keep in mind the downpipe from RV6 is still, it's taking a long time, but it's on its way. It'll be here hopefully in the next, I would say, 2 to 3 weeks. It's getting close, you know, to that time frame. So also have a new front grille coming, which is from Ballad Sports. It's more open for more airflow and everything. And yeah, those are the two mods we're waiting for. Anyways, let's get back to the unboxing. All right, you guys, got the unboxing knife here, right? Just gonna unbox it here. Let me put this camera up a little bit. All right, there we go. So you guys can see me. Just gonna unbox this real quick. I'll speed it up.
Life heading. Others fail, where others come under lessons. Point is keep your head up and leave them haters guessing. Never let up, shit, never give up. This limelight is on you. Time to make your move, get into your groove. Fuck the rest, shit, you have nothing to lose. Picture yourself up in the Hall of Fame. The streets are calling your name. Billboards, sold out shows, just to hear you made it. But keep it on the low, never be fading. Give it your all, the audience gives you round applause. Feel the pleasure, then the pain, there's no shame. Curtains closed, they call it your name. This life feels so plain, but then they hear your unique sound. You're finally on one now.
Life ain't how I want it. Life ain't how I see it. I really believe it gets better.
Woo. All right, y'all. That was actually harder than it looked, let me tell you. But basically, it's from BAA right there. And this is a reinforced and wrinkle red, just like the Mishimoto coolant reservoir thing I have, the overflow tank. Well, here's BAA, right? Okay. And this is an underplate. Look how freaking thick this is. It's not flimsy. It still has some flex to it, but not very much like that tin thing under the car, under the Type R. So this is a lot more reinforced. As you can see, has an opening right here. Easy oil change, easy access to nuts and bolts, more cooling, obviously more aerodynamic. So for 260 bucks, yeah, bro, this is honestly a good buy. All right, so there's that. Here's the hardware attached right there. Obviously we're going to leave that attached. I'm going to bundle this back up and everything, so it'll be ready for the 20th. But yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comments about that. Do you think it's a requirement for these cars? Do you think I picked a good color red? Should I left it silver? What? Let me know. But anyways, man, that box was hard to unbox. But yeah, so that is going to be installed on the 20th. Turn this around. And now what we're gonna do is just talk a little bit more. We're gonna go for a drive. I'm gonna tell you guys what's coming up on the channel and everything like that. So don't go anywhere. Much love, y'all. Alright, y'all, just wanted to give you that cold start. As you can see, it's still heating up right now. Can't wait for the downpipe to get on here, because once I have that, everything is going to be real smooth, real high quality. It's going to sound amazing, y'all. With the HKS Leakamax full RV6 setup, come on, bro, that's the way to do it in my opinion. But anyways, let's get going here. I'll set the camera up on a different mount, and yeah, we'll go from there. Skylyfe, y'all. Much love. Alright, y'all, welcome back. So yep, here's my glasses. You never seen me in these yet, right? Well, it's nighttime, so I can't put on my glass shades. I have to wear driving glasses. Old 35, you know. But anyways, let's get going here, y'all, and we're gonna talk about some stuff. Plus you guys get to go, you know, along for the ride. So yeah, let me just back out of here, y'all. Put the windows down when the air's on. And I gotta go to the bank real quick, so you guys are gonna come on a ride along with me. How's that sound? Yeah, the light is on the cam because it's pretty dark out here. I know it doesn't look like that because that light's amazing, but let me tell you, it's dark. Hopefully it doesn't die on me here, right? Fingers crossed. So let's talk about this. You guys, I do apologize for the moving situation, me not being able to upload so frequently, right? But obviously it's for a good cause. The Type R is going to be paid off, as I said in previous videos, and you know, obviously we're getting a new home, so definitely looking forward to that. It is a big process, so it has kept me super busy. Plus I still got my job, you know, I'm a 9 to 5, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, trust me, there's more content coming up. Like I said, we got that downpipe that should be right around the corner. I can't wait till it gets installed from RV6. Then we have the Ballad Sports grill, and then a third mod coming up, which is the APR carbon fiber side, what do you call it, whatever you call the fender things. I can't think of the right name right now, but not the actual like fender on the car, the air vent portion of it, right? So it's actually going to be open airflow. More airflow is always better, especially on these cars, because the engine and the turbo obviously gets so hot because everything's close together. But yeah, got that coming up. You guys, once this channel starts getting up in a major way, like I keep saying, hopefully it does, right, and get more subscribers, I'm gonna be doing giveaways with you guys and everything like that. So I just need everybody to keep their patience, because once I get to that point, I'm a type of person that always gives back, you know what I mean? When I was doing the hip-hop thing, when I was doing music, I gave back to the community, you know, Toys for Tots, I was in that. It was a whole bunch of charity drives, everything. I made money off my music, so obviously I gave it back, right? Times change, I'm a lot older now, I got 2 kids, I got a wife, but yeah. Anyways, okay, enough about that. It's coming up, just stay tuned for it. I think you guys are really gonna enjoy the content that's coming up. I appreciate all my subscribers. Also, if you haven't already, please hit that like button if you could. It really helps out the channel. Please hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll always be alerted for future uploads like this. And yeah, what else can we talk about, right? There's the car show coming up on Saturday. I'm gonna bring my kids out there, and it looks like my mother, their grandmother's gonna be coming out too, so that'll be kind of cool. See if they want to be on video or not. Yeah, but that's what's going on, guys. That's what's going on. Just waiting for the appraisal to come back for the new home. See where we stand right there. We put in a very high and generous offer, so this market's crazy, bro, but just fingers crossed everything will work out the way it's planned. I had this planned out from the jump, so you know, anything can happen, right? But at the end of the day, it really just matters on if God's got you, right? If you count your blessings. So that's what matters to me, at least. Getting up here to the bank. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them below. You can message me, we can chat on Facebook, we can chat on Instagram. Throw the IG link up right here, even though it's in the beginning of every video. It's at Skylyfe Project 86. And we're just gonna leave some more driving here, and that'll be the end of the video, y'all. About to make a left, almost at my destination. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. I really appreciate it. Until next time, which will be just in a couple days, we'll be right back on this channel, y'all. See you on the cam later. Much love and blessings. Always, you guys, keep your foot forward. Don't ever hesitate for anything. Don't let anybody tell you you can't do something. You can do anything you put your mind to, as long as the grind matches. Always count your blessings. And yeah, y'all, much love. See y'all later.
Team, only things we talk about. Money coming in faster than it's ever been, like Cali. All we do is win. Posted in the valley. Cash moves everything around me. Like a money pool, you see me drowning. System in the trunk, bump bitches like the way it be sounded. Fill my cup up for the ones.